Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very important chemistry topic that is balancing a redox equation. Basically, there are many methods for balancing an equation. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss an ion exchange method for balancing a redox equation. What is a redox equation? A redox equation is an equation that tells us about the transfer of electrons, the loss and gain of electrons by the atom. So to understand this method of balancing equations, you must take an example of a redox equation. So here I'm taking this example: phosphorus plus nitric acid and water molecule will just become S3 4 plus okay. This is the equation that we are going to balance. This equation is not in the balance state, as you can clearly see. So what you will have to do is to very first step is to, you can say our first step is assigning oxidation number. Assigning oxidation number. What is oxidation number and how you can calculate oxidation number? I have already made a video on this topic. We'll drop a link on my description about this video. If you have not seen that video and you don't know how to calculate an oxidation number, you can consult that video. Okay. So okay, now I'm going to assign the oxidation number to these elements. Phosphorus it will be 0. Nitrogen will be plus 2, hydrogen will be plus 1, nitrogen will be plus 5, and each oxygen will carry -2 charge. Again, plus 1 for hydrogen, -2 for oxygen, plus 1 for each hydrogen, and plus 5 for phosphorus, and -2 for oxygen. Again, plus 2 for nitrogen, and -2 for oxygen. This is our first step. In the first step, we have assigned the oxidation number to the element. What we have to do in the next second step is to identify the atoms that are undergoing change in oxidation number. Change in oxidation number. Okay. Here there are two atoms that are undergoing the change in oxidation number. What are these atoms? These are phosphorus and nitrogen. Phosphorus is before the chemical reaction, phosphorus is in zero state, and after the chemical reaction, it is changed to plus white, and nitrogen carries plus white charge before the reaction, and after the reaction, it carries plus two charge. And there are two elements that are undergoing change in the oxidation number. Okay, I'm writing equation again. And now in this step, I will write only the oxidation numbers of that element that are going to be into format. Okay. Yeah. To make it easy for balancing equation, I will skip for now in this step. I will skip the oxidation number of rest of my atoms that are not undergoing anything, and I am just writing the oxidation number of phosphorus and nitrogen because these are the two atoms that are undergoing in oxidation number. Now, what will be our next step? Our next step will be the making a bridge between the atoms. Okay? Making bridge. Making bridge. How you can make this? It's not like that. You have to make a bridge of cement and all that. You have to make a bridge between the atoms that are undergoing change in oxidation number. Okay. Uh, Here it is phosphorus that are going from 0 to plus 5, and nitrogen that is going from plus 5 to -1. What is our next step? You have to write what the change they're going to they are undergoing in terms of electrons. Nitrogen is going from +5 to +2. It is gaining 3 electrons. And phosphorus is going from 0 to +1. It is losing 5 electrons. Okay, our first step is now completed. We have to draw our fluid. What will be the next step? Fourth step is to balance the electron. Balance the electron. So for balance both electrons, the electrons that are losing and the electrons that are gaining, we have to balance these electrons. You can clearly see that 3 electrons are gaining and 5 are losing. They are not equal. So to equalize this, we have to multiply 3 with 5 and multiply 5 with 3. Now they are, both are 59. What we have to do next is to multiply the atoms with the same coefficient to which we are multiplying the electrons. For example, we are multiplying the electrons of nitrogen with 5, so we have to multiply the coefficient 5 with nitrogen on both sides of the equation. So I'm writing and the equation after multiplying this with that coefficient. So I'm writing again this equation. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have to write the same coefficient. For example, we are multiplying the coefficient of phosphorus with 5. So sorry, 3. So we have to write 3 here. We're multiplying nitrogen. We have to write 5 again. 3 and 5. Now, the only thing that is left is unbalanced is hydrogen. So to balance the hydrogen, we use the anticipation method. So we will write here 3. Now the hydrogen and oxygen is balanced. Here are 17 oxygen on the side and there are 17 oxygen on this side. There are 9 hydrogen on this side and now there are 9 hydrogen on this side. Now our this equation is balanced. I hope you understand this method. If you still find any stories, you can ask me in the comment box. And I will try to be back with the same method, but some other examples to make it more clear to you. And you can contact me on the comment box. I will surely reply with to you. If you still don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for further videos. Thank you so much.